You're a trading beginner and you're searching YouTube how to trade as a beginner. Most likely you've gone through a shit ton of gurus showing you fancy strategies with 99% win rate and crazy trading lingo that you have no time to learn. You've probably gone through so many different types of technical analysis which eventually give conflicting data, and your learning has actually paralyzed you to take on a trade. So here's some advice. Throw all of that out of the window. Your ability to be profitable does not lie in your technical analysis, but in your psychology. The maxim trading is only 20% analysis and 80% psychology is true. In fact, I'll show you how I trade with a 66% win rate to show you how easy analysis really is. I only use two indicators, Claustrix and Claustrix bias. Why? It's convenient because it does all the data crunching for me. But basically, here's what I do. I wait for the price to start forming an uptrend. I make sure that these bars on the Claustrix bias is above the 15 level, or this white line here. Next is I wait for the actual price to go into this blue zone between the key level and strong level. Next is I enter into a long position as soon as the price is in my interest zone. I place my stop loss just below the previous support level, and I set my take profit to win a little bit more than when I lose, usually a 1.2R. So what that means is that whenever I lose $100, but when I win, I make sure I win $120. So I win a little bit more than when I lose. The link video below gives a more detailed explanation of this strategy, plus more examples of this strategy in action. But that's basically it. No order flow analysis, volatility, arbitrage, market making, value beef, candlestick pattern trading, and all that mumbo jumbo. But again, analysis is only 20% of the game. The other 80% lies in the psyche. And so, as a beginner, how do you remain profitable? You have to keep three things in mind. Number one is you have to accept the risk fully. A losing trade for me means I lose only 1 to 2% of my account. That's okay, it's not life-changing. But if I were to lose 100% of my account, I won't be able to accept the risk. All my emotional intelligence or all my emotions are invested in me winning. Next is you have to think in probabilities, which allows you to detach from the outcome of a trade. I don't give a rat's ass if this trade wins or loses. Probability-wise, I should win 66% of the time, but that means 34% of the time I will lose. All that matters is that I'm present to make the most out of this opportunity. And finally, you have to train through repetition. You have to show up to the charts. You can't be complacent with your trading where you trade only once a week. Well, actually that depends on you. But if you want to be consistent, you have to train yourself through repetition. I've done this strategy a bunch of times, both in real trades that I call out in our Discord community where I trade Forex, or through my backtesting. So if you're tired of chasing shiny strategies that are getting nowhere, take a step back, master one simple setup, drill it, stick it to your head, and most importantly, train your mind to think like a trader and not like a gambler. This game does not reward the smartest, it rewards the most consistent. The indicators I use, Claustrix, keeps the analysis simple. The rest is on you, or on me in this case. But if you're ready to stop guessing and start trading with a purpose, check out the links in the comments and start building your edge, one trade at a time. Till next time.